I'm going to be showing you guys how to make aloe vera oil for hair growth. So aloe vera is very good for hair growth. It promotes hair growth, it prevents itchiness on your scalp, and it reduces dandruff. So first of all, you're going to rinse your aloe vera, then you're going to cut off the sharp edges, so we don't need that one. Okay, so please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe. Okay, so after cutting off the edges, you're just going to cut off the aloe vera into little cubes. Just cut it, okay, just like this, as you can see. Okay, okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how to make the oil. You just need some olive oil and some coconut oil. So you're going to put the oil in your pot and put some coconut oil. Just 1 spoon of coconut oil is okay. Then you put the aloe vera. Okay, then you just leave it for 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Okay, okay, so now the oil is ready to be used. Just have to let it cool down, then you transfer it to your bowl. Okay, okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how to apply it. As you can see, I'm just putting it on my scalp, just with my hair. Okay, you can use it on your braid as well. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, thank you, bye bye.